Hello beautiful people, you're welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Yvonne Kadiri and today's video is rose water, how to make homemade rose water. Rose water can be used as a toner for your face and for bubble bath. If you want to have a bubble bath, you might just put some inside your bubble bath, and then you can also use some for your hairline also. So I got this flower for Valentine and I said I came across this video and okay, let me try it and also share with my YouTubers. So this Valentine flower is from my husband and it's over 2 weeks now. I was about trashing it and I said, okay, let me just try and do this stuff. So I'm going to remove all these petals because they are drying out now. I'm going to remove all these red petals and then we'll steam it. So just come along with me with my process. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please just subscribe to my YouTube channel and just enjoy this short video. See you in the next clip. So I'm going to remove it from the stalk now and then just do it like this, then rinse it off, then put it on medium heat. So let's get going. So I'm just going to remove the petals and then put it inside the bowl and then rinse it off. This is what we have. I'm just going to run water through it, then rinse it nicely just once, and then I have already boiled cold chilled water. I'm supposed to use a distilled water, but I don't have, so I boil the water, allow it to cool down, then I'm gonna pour it in. Because my roast is small, so I'm just gonna use half water in my pot. Then I place a plate at the middle and then cover it up. So now just cover the pots like so. I have to use a bigger size of pot because I want this this side of it to be closed. I don't want it to evaporate some water because we're trying to make a distilled water from it. So I also have some eyes here. I'm just going to crack them and then put it on top, then set my stove on medium heat, then allow it to simmer for like 30 minutes. So while it's simmering, I just have to do 1 or 2 things and then come check back on it. Please note, you can also use white rose, but I don't know, the white rose got so dried on time than the red rose. One of them is already so dried, so I can't use it. Some are still very fresh here, but I just want to go trash them now. Let me do it like this. I'm taking it to the bin house just to trash them. All right, see you in the next clips. Right now it's steaming, it's boiling. So sorry, I'm gonna pour eyes on top. I'm going to leave the eyes on top like this so I'll have more of the rose water in my plate inside. So let's get going. We'll leave it for another 15 minutes. This is like 15 minutes gone. I'll leave it for another 15 minutes. So our rose water / toner is ready. See, the pet is still a bit hot. And honestly, this smells nice. It smells like beetroot anyway. So I'm going to use this one to just soak in the bubble bath and bathe. Then I'll pour this one out. I don't have what's it called? Spray bottle. Spray bottle. I'll leave it here for now and just apply it morning and night. and then wash my face. It's just so small, it's not bad. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Till I see you again in my next video. Bye bye. Please don't throw your rose flower away next time. Your love won't gift you your rose flower. Roses are quite expensive, so nothing is put to waste. Bye.